Hello, everyone. Here's Ajayola Show once again. You're the wireless consultant here in Nigeria. Greeting from my hands here, from wherever you are listening to me from. Either you are in the morning, I say good morning, in the evening, good evening, irrespective of wherever you might be watching me from. I would like to welcome everyone to this live section. If you are joining us, please help me to like this video, share it, and drop your location in the comment section. My name once again is Ajayi Oluwaseun, your number one real estate consultant here in Nigeria, and today we'll be discussing a very important topic that is before us. This topic is on the mind of many investors right now. And what we are going to be discussing is why cocoa farm estate price is changing. For some time now, we have been marketing cocoa farm estate for real estate investor. Farming is part of real estate, as you know. So for real estate investor, so and with the response, a lot of people turn up uh, buying farmland, investing, giving us referral. I would like to say a big thank you to all our subscribers and everyone who subscribed and those who also gave us referral. It means a lot to us. It means a lot to us. And that means trust. That means you have trust us. That means you can trust us with your investment and we will never disappoint you. We will never disappoint you. We really appreciate you for everything, for following this page, for everything you have been doing, for the referral. I sincerely appreciate, even from the bottom of my heart, I sincerely appreciate. So, why is cocoa price? Why at this time that the announcement is coming that the cocoa farmland price is going up? Why? If you have watched the market closely, you will notice that cocoa farmland price are not what they used to be. And there are several reasons behind this shift. And for since the last few weeks, if you have noticed the market trend, you might have been noticing some drastic change, shifts in a lot of things, in a lot of the moderation, in coordination, a lot of things have been changing. So please stay with me till the end of this video, because this information could save your money or help you make smarter investment decision, either now or in the future. So let me start by saying this clearly. Cocoa is no longer just a farm product. Cocoa is no longer just a farm product. And sometimes before now, if they mention cocoa, mind will go up to our forefathers in the village doing cocoa, but the game has drastically changed. Cocoa is no longer just a farm product. It is now a strategic investment asset that smart investors are right now are taking advantage of. Smart investors are now taking advantage of uh, cocoa farming, especially in Nigeria. So over the years, cocoa estates were considered cheap. Cocoa farmland were considered cheap. And a lot even felt cocoa is meant only for long-time farmers. But today, the narrative has changed, because a lot of development is even coming even in the farming sector. And as we speak now, there are hybrid seedling of cocoa that you don't need to wait for 9, 10 years, you don't need to wait for 8 years, you don't need to wait for 7 years, you don't need to wait for 7 years, you don't need to wait for even 5 years, you don't need to wait for 4 years before you start harvesting your gold mine. So cocoa is now attracting investors, even exporters, and also agric business as we speak now, agric farm, even international buyers are more interested in buying cocoa products, especially from Nigeria. So the big question is, why are prices now going up? Why is the price change? Let's break it down. Reason number one, global cocoa demand is increasing. Global cocoa demand is increasing. Firstly, and first major reason, uh, global demand, chocolate production and chocolate consumption is rising worldwide, especially in Europe. If you look at Europe, if you look at Asia, if you look at Middle East, cocoa is the raw material behind this demand. Unfortunately, supply is not growing as fast as it is demanded. Supply is not going as fast as it is demanded. And this is major reason why major cocoa farmers, major cocoa farmers are now demanding more hands. There are more people are needed to invest in cocoa farming. And that's the major reason why it is put out there for people to come and buy cocoa farmland. We manage the farming while you earn revenue. We manage the process of farming, we manage the process, the exportation process, and there will be a passive income for you. You owns the land, you owns the tree on the farmland. The market is now growing bigger on daily basis. The process is you are buying, let's say you are buying 1 acre, for instance. 1 acre is coming with 400 cocoa seedling. So you are buying the land, you also own the tree on it. You get your physical allocation. You can even decide to fence your plot, but the cocoa tree on it will be managed by us. The harvesting will be done by us. The exportation or the sales aspect of it will be done by us. After sales, there is going to be a profit sharing, and that's where the passive income comes from, where you earn from your cocoa farmland, where you earn for life. I say it again, you buy cocoa farmland and you earn for life. You actually earn for 30 years. As long as the cocoa tree is producing, you continue earning a passive income. Gone are those days when you buy land, you just leave the land just to be there. No one is cultivating the land. You now wait for development. But now, while you wait for development, you earn passive income from your farmland. So if you look like countries that produces cocoa, countries like Nigeria is a good, in fact, number one suppliers of cocoa. And we look at Ghana, Ivory Coast are now under pressure to supply more. And that pressure reflects directly on land, even land value. When demand goes up and land is limited, prices will naturally rise, and which is exactly what is happening now. And that's the major reason why cocoa farmers are looking for more hands. They are looking for more people to invest, to buy land, and to own more land. They want to expand. That's the logic. They want to expand their own land space. Then they need more people to come in so that they can increase their production. So another critical factor is scarcity. Scarcity. Not all land can grow cocoa successfully. You need to understand that. It is not all land that will grow cocoa successfully. It is not all soil that is suitable for cocoa farming. Not all land will grow cocoa successfully. It is not all, cocoa will not grow on every type of soil. So cocoa requires specific soil, Cocoa requires specific conditions. Cocoa require proper rainfall or irrigation, suitable climate. Many areas that were once cocoa friendly are now being affected by urban expansion, climate change, land management. So when you find a well-planned cocoa farm estate, it is become premium property. Anytime you find a well-planned cocoa farm estate, it's become a premium property. So if you are buying cocoa estate for 3 million naira, we are selling an acre for 3 million naira. It is an offer, it is an incredible offer that anyone should embrace. Anyone should embrace. It is a premium asset. Don't stay cheap. Properties like that don't stay cheap forever. There are numbers of plots we have decided to sell. There are limited plots available for sales. I say it again, there are limited plots available for sales, and the sales will not be there forever. So let's talk about fallow addition. Cocoa land used to be bushy farmland with no access road, no layout, no title. But today, cocoa estates are being developed with C of O, you heard me right, with C of O title, with registered survey and proper documentation. So those are basic and key things that we are known for. Documentation is key. You are getting a full ownership of your cocoa farmland, good road access to where your farm is, your farm layout, central processing plan. Once infrastructure enters, land value change. You know that, and I also understand that properly. You are no longer buying just a land. You are buying into a system, and systems are always more valuable. I say it again, systems are always more valuable. This is a cocoa farmland that is under a process, cocoa farmland that is with a structure. And more Nigeria are now financially educated. More Nigeria are now financially informed. So people are looking beyond savings and short-time trading. They are asking, can my money work for me? Exactly. That's exactly where we are going. How can my money work for me? What assets grows over time? Cocoa answer those questions. Cocoa estate, cocoa farmland answer those questions perfectly. As more people now understand the long-time return of cocoa farming, competitions increases. Competitions drive price. That's one thing you need to know. A lot of people that want to buy, and that's the major reason why the cocoa farm estate price will be changing very soon. A lot of people are struggling to key in to buy. Many people are saying, oh, we don't have the whole money for 1 acre at once. We want to pay for 6 months. That doors is now open. A lot of people are now keying in. A lot of people want to be part of the moving train. A lot of people want to be part of this process. You are buying a farmland. We are managing the farmland. You can even sleep and get your passive income. Get your passive income at the end of the day. So, as competition drive price and also appreciation. Now, reason 5. Let me be honest with you. The cost of hybrid cocoa seedling the cost of labor, the cost of even security. If you have done farming, you should understand that security even play a very vital role in operating a real estate or operating even a farmland. And farm maintenance has also increased. If you look at cost of labor now, it's not cheap. Estate owner must adjust prices too. Anything real estate, prices are going up. So if you have any decision you need to take that real estate and you have done your due diligence, that is very, very important. You can't just hard earned money. Done your due diligence. Please don't wait. You don't wait to buy land. You buy land, then you wait. So you have to ensure sustainability, deliver promise, and also returns. So when prices change, it is not random. It reflects real economic factor. So another point is, if you are watching this live and you are asking, should I buy now or we should wait? Here is the truth. Cocoa farm estates reward early decision maker. It reward only fast decision maker. Currently, an acre of cocoa farmland is selling for 3 million naira with 400 cocoa seedlings. So currently we are selling for 3 million naira, and at the end of this month, meaning that in the next 2 weeks, the price will be going from 3 million naira to 4 million naira. So waiting often means high entry price. If you wait, you delay, you'll be paying more. Limited availability, fewer premium option. Smart investor focus more on timing and value, not just price. Now, if you want verified cocoa farm estate, if you want proper documentation, if you want strategic guidance, if you only want, then you have to reach out to us via numbers on the screen or number in the description of this live broadcast. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget, please, I'm begging, try to like this video, share it with someone you felt might need this information. Also remember to turn on the notification bell and also subscribe to our channel. What that means is anytime we are dropping a video, you will be the very first person to